Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Mesco Education Society's Crescent English High School and Junior College located in Casa, Mumra location. So they have openings for both junior college and also for school. First, let us see job openings for junior college. So they are looking for MA BEd teacher for geography subject, MSc, IT or CS or MCA, part-time teacher for IT subject, and at last they are also hiring for laboratory assistant. So BSc is the qualification for this laboratory assistant. Next one, let us see job openings for school. So they are looking for DED teachers for primary section, BA BEd teacher for English subject, and BSc BEd teacher for science subject, and HSC or BA ECCED teachers for pre-primary section, and at last MA in psychology for counselors. So these are the positions for both junior college and school. So interested candidates, like the candidates should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for any of the positions mentioned here. So you can apply to these positions on before 30th April 2022, and coming to salary, it would be based on your qualifications and experience. So interested candidates, you can share your CV to the provided mail ID, and also to attend to the interview you can check here with the address details. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can also approach them with the given contact number.